St. Croix Recreation is a second-generation family-owned business that's been supplying and installing playground equipment and park supplies in the state of Minnesota for over 40 years. St. Croix Recreation partners with manufacturers that have high-quality products and industry-leading warranties. We offer a full line of playground and park supplies, including playground equipment, safety surfacing, site amenities, park shelters, drinking fountains, musical instruments, and anything that you would need for a park. We offer full turnkey solutions, including the management of the construction, playground design, as well as making sure that the playground equipment and park supplies adhere to the ASTM and CPSC standard and guidelines and ADA laws.
We know the process can be overwhelming, and we pride ourselves on walking you through every step of the way with advice, recommendations, and really listening to what you need.
To me, customer service is about putting a smile on the face of everyone who calls in, assisting in any way that I can.
When we meet with the customer, we want to make sure that we create a playground that will meet their budget, timeline, and give a clear understanding of our scope of work.
What sets us apart is us. We don't want you to just pick something out of our catalog and we send it to you. We want to really see your site and get to know you and make sure that what we're giving you is really what you need. What I love most about being involved in the park and recreation creation process is that you're really bringing fun to a community. The end goal for us is that kids and community members should be outside, they should be exercising, they should be enjoying our community spaces.
We look forward to bringing unique and customized playgrounds to the state of Minnesota and our community for many more years to come.